Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Then again 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Now 0 multiplied 0 is equal to also 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS P means parenthesis, E means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay. So first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponent, then multiplication and division both have equal priority. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. Okay. So in this question, first priority is multiplication. So 7 minus 7 multiplied 7 is equal to 49 minus 7. Now here is a one subtraction and here is a one subtraction. Okay. Therefore we have to, therefore both have equal priority. Therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this part. So 7 minus 49 is equal to minus 42 minus 7 is equal to minus 42 minus 7 is equal to minus 49. Okay. So the correct answer is minus 49. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.